unveiling the incredible powers of amazing grass. Greens Blend Superfood. Have you ever wondered how you can boost your energy levels and improve your overall health? Look no further because we have the answer for you. Introducing Amazing Grass Greens Blend Superfood, the perfect solution to help you achieve optimal well-being. With a powerful combination of nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables, this exceptional superfood blend will provide you with a natural energy boost that will last throughout the day. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon slumps and hello to increased vitality. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, this amazing blend will support your immune system and keep you feeling healthy and strong. It's like giving your body a dose of pure goodness. Boost your digestion and improve gut health with the Amazing Grass Greens Blend Superfood. Its fiber-rich ingredients will help keep your digestive system running smoothly, enabling you to feel lighter and more energized. Forget about fad diets and introduce this nourishing blend into your daily routine. It's a simple yet effective way to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Try it in water, juice, or your favorite smoothie recipe. The possibilities are endless! Invest in your well-being today with Amazing Grass Greens Blend Superfood. Your body deserves the best, and this incredible blend will give it the boost it needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and products. Take charge of your health with Amazing Grass Greens Blend Superfood.